Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the highest quality file you have and keeping a safe copy. Open Gemini, set your color profile and working resolution so edits are consistent. Begin with global adjustments, exposure first to normalize brightness, then white balance to correct color casts, and contrast to define midtones. Once those are balanced, use the 1:1 preview to check noise and highlight clipping. Make small incremental changes. You want a neutral, clean base before moving on to localized work. Now you switch to local corrections. Use masks and soft brushes to dodge and burn, sculpting light and shadow where needed. Let Gemini's AI healing remove distracting elements quickly, then refine edges by hand so transitions look natural. Add a layer for color grading, lift shadows, tweak highlights, and use selective saturation sparingly. Apply sharpening at high frequencies and use targeted noise reduction for shadow areas. Once done, toggle layers on and off to evaluate cumulative impact before final export settings. Finish by exporting with the appropriate profile and dimensions. sRGB for web, a larger profile for print. You should create both a full-resolution master and an optimized web copy. Once exported, review images on multiple devices to confirm color and contrast are consistent. If you spot banding, halos, or odd artifacts, go back to the last stable layer and isolate the offending adjustment. Reduce local strength or reapply noise reduction. If something fails, revert to the backup and reproduce the step more subtly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.